Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wonder Garden channel, where we share ways to care for flowers and ornamental plants so they stay healthy, vibrant, and in full bloom all year round. In today's video, I will show you how to make a completely natural fertilizer that is very simple, easy to prepare, yet extremely beneficial for orchids. This formula helps stimulate strong new shoots, nourish healthy roots, and most importantly, encourages orchids to bloom regularly with longer-lasting flowers and vibrant colors that follow their natural growth cycle. If you have orchids that are growing slowly, taking a long time to bloom, or flowering inconsistently, this is exactly the care method you should try. Now, let's get started. First, I will prepare 1 liter of warm water. Can you guess what I'm going to use this water for? This is baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural substance that is safe for humans and very easy to rinse off with water. With 1 liter of water, I use 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then stir well until it dissolves completely. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The main ingredient I'm using today is orange. However, did you know that orange peels are often coated with preservative wax and may still contain pesticide residues from the growing and transportation process? If not handled properly, these substances can be harmful to plants when we use orange peels as fertilizer. Therefore, I will wash the oranges thoroughly in the prepared baking soda solution. Baking soda helps remove dirt, bacteria, and some pesticide residues that may remain on the surface of the orange peels. At the same time, it also helps clean off the preservative wax that is often applied to fruits to extend their shelf life and make them look shinier. After this treatment, the orange peels are completely clean and safe, ready to be used as a natural fertilizer for orchids. This is a small but extremely important step that helps you feel confident when caring for your plants with organic ingredients right at home. After cleaning the oranges, I will proceed to peel off the outer skin. Orange peels contain many natural nutrients that are beneficial for orchids, such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium, along with orange essential oils and mild organic acids. These nutrients help stimulate strong root growth, enhance nutrient absorption, and support the plant in producing new shoots and forming new flower spikes. The natural essential oils in orange peels also help inhibit bacteria, fungi, and harmful insects, keeping orchids healthier throughout their growth cycle. After obtaining the peels, I will use scissors to cut them into small pieces and place them in a clean glass jar. When used properly, orange peels are not only a safe organic fertilizer, but also help orchids develop greener leaves, stronger growth, and more regular blooming. This method is especially suitable for orchids that are weak or slow to flower. Add 500 milliliters of warm water to begin extracting the beneficial essential oils from the orange peels. The next ingredient I use is rice. Rice contains B vitamins, carbohydrates, silicon, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, potassium, and many other natural nutrients. These nutrients help stimulate strong root growth, restore weakened plants, and create a solid foundation for producing new shoots and forming new flower spikes. Stir well so the nutrients begin to dissolve into the water. Finally, I cover it with a lid and let the solution steep until the water cools completely. After the solution has completely cooled, I will strain out all the orange peels and rice, keeping only the clear liquid. This is the nutrient-rich extract that orchids can absorb most easily. Straining out the solids makes the solution lighter and cleaner, preventing root blockage or contamination of the growing medium. It is especially suitable for Phalaenopsis orchids and other potted orchids. To be safe, I dilute this solution with 1 liter of water. Method 1. Wiping the leaves of orchids in the garden. After straining the solution, I pour a suitable amount into a small cup. Then use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth soaked in the solution to gently wipe each orchid leaf. When wiping, start from the base of the leaf and move toward the tip, cleaning both the upper and lower surfaces. Work slowly and gently to avoid scratching the leaves. The solution made from orange peels and rice helps remove dust, residue, and pathogens from the leaf surface. The organic acids and natural essential oils in orange peels have mild antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to reduce leaf spots and yellowing. Meanwhile, B vitamins and minerals from rice water support faster recovery, making the leaves greener, thicker, and stronger. Regular leaf wiping also helps keep the stomata clear, improving photosynthesis and allowing the plant to grow strong from the inside. This method is especially effective for orchids grown indoors or placed in areas with little rain. You can do this 1 to 2 times per month to keep orchid leaves clean, healthy, and ready for the next stage of root growth and flowering. Method 2. After straining the solution and diluting it to the correct ratio, I pour the fertilizer solution into a dedicated watering can, then gently water around the base of each orchid pot. When watering, you should do it slowly, so the solution can soak evenly into the growing medium. The solution made from orange peels and rice provides B vitamins, minerals, and natural organic compounds that help stimulate the growth of young roots, encouraging new roots to grow, white, plump, strong, and firmly anchored to the medium. The mild organic acids from orange peels also help clean the growing environment and limit harmful bacteria and fungi around the root zone, thereby reducing the risk of root rot and yellowing leaves. When the root system is well nourished, orchids can absorb nutrients more efficiently, develop thicker and stronger leaves, and accumulate enough energy to produce new shoots and push out new flower spikes. You can apply this root watering method every 7 to 10 days to help your orchids grow steadily and bloom more regularly. Method 3. Misting spray. I pour the remaining solution into a misting spray bottle, then gently and evenly spray the entire orchid, including the leaves, stem, and exposed roots. When spraying, make sure to create a fine, gentle mist so the plant can absorb the moisture and nutrients easily without excess water pooling on the leaves or around the roots. Avoid spraying too heavily, as standing water can lead to fungal issues or rot, especially in areas with limited air circulation. Misting is an especially suitable care method for orchids, as they naturally prefer a humid environment. This method works particularly well for newly repotted orchids or plants that are in a recovery phase after stress or weakness. The thin layer of mist helps maintain stable humidity around the plant, improves gas exchange, supports healthier respiration, and gently stimulates natural metabolic processes, allowing the orchid to recover faster and grow more steadily. Important note for Phalaenopsis orchids. About 20 to 30 minutes after spraying, if you notice water still remaining on the leaf surfaces or in the leaf joints, use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth to gently wipe it dry. This is a very important step to prevent excessive moisture retention, helping reduce the risk of stem rot and root rot, common problems that many orchid growers often encounter. And not only for orchids, you can also use this solution to care for other plants in your garden, such as anthuriums, peace lilies, pothos, and other ornamental foliage plants. When provided with the right moisture and nutrients, these plants will grow more vigorously, develop healthier leaves, and be well prepared for their next flowering stage. Results. After a period of caring for your orchids using this method, you will notice clear changes day by day. First of all, the root system improves. New roots begin to appear more frequently, growing white, plump, firm, and strongly attached to the growing medium. Once the roots are well established and the orchid has accumulated enough energy, it will begin to push out new flower spikes from the leaf axils, something every orchid grower looks forward to. For orchids that are already in bloom, the flowers will last longer on the spike, with thicker petals and brighter, more long-lasting colors. After being regularly wiped and misted, the leaves become glossier, firmer, less wrinkled, and noticeably healthier. Caring for plants with simple natural ingredients not only helps them grow healthy, but also brings a sense of peace, when each day you can watch your garden gradually fill with vitality and burst into beautiful blooms. What do you think about this care method? If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so we can continue spreading the joy of gardening together every day.